Online learning, free courses.
Okay, so in this video, we're going to be talking about your Fiverr username and how to choose one and how to create one that will best serve you and your needs. So, I honestly, guys, I don't even remember what my first username was on Fiverr with my old account. Geez, it was probably something along the SEO world, something like that. But here is my account now, and the whole way I came across my username was the company that we created. What it is Overdrive Strategy. So I just decided to use OD Strategies to be able to brand and continue that brand on here because we were offering just smaller services and like micro services of our larger packages that we offered through our website. So that's how I came across my personal username. Let me see if I can find, oh, that's not what I wanted. Sorry, guys. Let me see if I can find my friend on here. SEO consultant. There we go. Oh, not services, but hopefully it'll still bring up the person. Anyways, so as before I go ahead and show you guys, I just want to tell you that a lot of people they'll be like, oh, you don't have to have a keyword in your username, and that's absolutely true. I don't have a keyword in mine, although I guess strategies could be considered a keyword. But I personally, since Fiverr is getting a little bit more competitive, there's more sellers, I'm always thinking of, how can I get the edge, right? How can I be on the cutting edge and one up the competition? So I would always recommend to optimize everything wherever possible, but don't keyword stuff. Don't do like SEO 1, 2, 3 or something like that. That would kind of be silly. You want to make it something that is user friendly. It doesn't have to read well necessarily, although I think it's better if it does. Like I said, like my friend SEO consultant, that's good because he actually has 2 keywords in there, consultant and SEO, and then SEO consultant also. So that's almost like 3 different combinations of searches that people could be doing. So that was a really smart username. And there's it. I'm not 100% sure what the character limit is for the usernames, but I know it's not a lot. Definitely under 100 for sure. So you want to keep it short, simple, and to the point. And you really want to think about your niche and your category that you'll be mostly delivering these gigs in. And that brings me to another point too. While you can create a lot of gigs on Fiverr, I think when you're just starting out as a new seller, you can create 7. And me as a top seller right now, I only have 7 gigs active because that's what has proved to be the most profitable for me. In fact, I tried out I think 20 different gigs, but half of them just didn't perform at all. Like I didn't get any sales, so I just ended up pausing those and have stuck with these 7. And the thing is that these are all kind of they are all within the same niche of digital marketing. And I would recommend that for best results with your sales to keep most of your gigs within the same niche because you're going to have the most success that way. I'm not 100% sure exactly how Fiverr's algorithms work, but I do know that when you have more gigs that are all within the same niche, then they tend to rank you better than if you have a lot of different random gigs that are spread out over all of these different kinds of categories. So I just wanted to mention that. Another thing to keep in mind is, well, we will touch more on this description in a moment, but just really think about the niche that you're in and how you can craft this whole page to kind of be an experience for your buyers. Now, a lot of people aren't going to see this whole page because this isn't how you show up in the results. Just the individual gigs show up. So you want to keep that in mind too. Now, quickly. Getting back to adding a keyword inside. Oh, okay. So I guess he took down all his profile and his page and everything. But I can say for sure that because we both started our accounts at the same time, his actually took off way faster than mine did. He got more sales initially because he was showing up in the search results more often when, you know, people typed in like SEO or SEO consultant or consultant. He was coming up because that was his username. So I just wanted to make that a note. I know some people through blog posts and stuff, they'll be like, oh, you don't need to do that. I would recommend that you do if possible. It's just going to help you out a little bit more. And I think, you know, nowadays everyone needs a little bit of extra help. So you can join me in the next video as we dive deeper into discussing why Fiverr is the best freelance platform online. And then right after that, we're going to be diving into how you can optimize your profile. So stick with me and continue on.